Hello friends, Maddie here. And in my last video, I have model and textured this oil barrel. And today I am going to show you how to bake this texture in the image and then how to paint on this image. This is a procedural texture right now. See this is a procedural texture. But now I am showing you how to bake this texture in an image. So let's start. First go in UV editor and you have to create a new image from here, or you can let's create you go in UV editor and then create new and name it and bake new image. Okay, now go in shading mode, paste shift A, add new image texture, and here open or click here and s- select our bake material. Now what we have to do is, after doing this, go in rendering render properties and select cycle and go down here bake type, select diffuse, and here contribution direct and indirect turn off, and let's bake this texture. It will take some time to bake this texture. For that I'm going to escape this. It will bake. After baking this, the texture will look like this. See, the texture will look like this after baking. See here, right hand side, here the texture is baked. I have baked the texture and it is looking like this. For texture painting, you see the edges have different texture. For that, go in edit mode, select our faces A and assign these to all our texture. See now, this is our baked texture. This texture is now baked into an image. Now we have to paint a texture paint to this image. For that, go in shading mode, and then I will add this color. For example, I want to paint, wait 1 minute. I want to paint something like this on my texture. For that, shift A, right shift A, and input principal shader, color to color, and you can, okay, we have to, I want something like this. I will change this to black color. Okay, I have something like this. I want to paint this on this texture. Okay, so this is our texture. Now what I will do, I will first bring up the mix shader. I will search for mix shader, and here we will go A color, here we go B color, and then I will select one mask. So press shift A and input a image, search for image texture and name this image as a mask. Click new and select the white color. This is important. If you have mask, always select white color and name it as mask. And now select this to our factor like this to this. So now go in texture painting, turn on the shading texture mode, and now you can paint directly on this material like this. You can paint directly on the material like this. And after painting also you can adjust the color. I will show you, wait 1 minute. First I will paint like this. Here also I will paint like this. And now go in shading mode and we can adjust the color of this mode. To be more the red color, I will select the black color if you want. Like this we can select, change, we can paint on your models. Go in texture painting, and if we select white color, we can again erase this painting like this. If you don't want, you can erase, you can play it like a mask like this. You can erase this color, and like this you can paint any color you want to your models. If you want to add another color, you can also add another color. Here you can, okay, this is looking nice. So like this, you can paint any texture on our model like this. Okay. After that, you can bake this texture also in your image. You can bake this texture also. You will get like this result. You will get like this result of this image. See, I have baked this texture also. See here. Here is the baked image. So only one shader is there right now. I have baked the image once again. So today, so this is one image now, right now. So what I have done is go in UV mode and take a UV snapshot of this layout. For that, go in UVs and export UVs here. And here select export tiles, UV tiles. UV tiles select here and PNG mode and export it. I have exported already. Now open Photoshop and this is your UV layout. Wait, let me import my UV layout. Wait 1 minute. So here is my UV layout. So then add this logo here. I have added this logo here. If you see here, I have added this logo. See, this is the opacity. You can adjust the opacity. You can paint it little bit like this if you want. You can delete it little bit. You can also delete it little bit if you want, like this. You can adjust the opacity. I will adjust the opacity, and then again you can select that image, save the image and select this image to get this result. So you can get this result easily by using Photoshop and Substance Painter. Photoshop and Blender easily. So that's it, friend. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.